Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video, we're going to be making some custom Easter nutrition facts labels over in Canva. In the previous video, I showed you how to make your own custom labels over in Canva. I'll link that video down below. But in today's video, I'm going to be using my nutrition facts template that I made, and it's also available over in my Etsy shop for a few dollars. So if you're interested, you can find the link down below. So when you purchase my template, you're also going to receive a link that's going to take you directly to Canva, where I have already set up the template for you, and it's ready for you to start customizing. So here's the template. I have one pre-filled out, and I also have a blank one for you. I'm going to be working with this one since everything is already set up, and I'm just going to change the text to make it fit what I need it for. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So let's get started. So if I wanted to change this, I could. If I wanted to change the color or move it, I could. I think I'm going to change the color. Let's see. Let's change it to blue. And I want to change this. And I want to. Alright guys, so when you're finished with your label, all you have to do is go up to the top and save it as a PNG file or a JPEG. If you have Pro Edition of Canva, you can choose to save it as a transparent background. If not, it's just going to have the white background, and download your label and add it to your party favors, your chip bags, or whatever else you want to add your nutrition facts labels to. Alright guys, if you still have any questions, drop them down in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos and all of my party freebies. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.